Hi everyone, my name is Rebekah Applegate. I'm one of your classmates in social psychology this semester. I'm taking this class in part because it's required for my major. I'm a psychology major, but also because I think that learning about social psychology can only benefit the knowledge that I have and I'm looking to gain about psychology itself. So I hope we can all learn a lot together. I am almost done with my bachelor's degree. I am 3 semesters away from graduating. Hallelujah! Woohoo! And then as soon as I graduate, I am planning to attend grad school and get a master's degree in counseling psychology. I'm still deciding on a grad program and a school, so I don't have any information on that for you, but I'm looking and I'm trying to decide. Much more interestingly, here I have a picture of myself with my cousins. I know we were supposed to be doing something interesting, and frankly, this is the most interesting thing I do. When I'm in Rexburg, once a week, my cousins and I get together, and we have a bunch of adventures. That week, we were all playing video games, and we had dinner, and obviously, we had a little bit of a dog pile trying to climb and get all over everything. You can see me in the corner. Next to me is my cousin Gordon, then my cousin Mari, and my cousin Adam. Some semesters our cousin Amber is up there as well, but we all kind of switch off a little bit. So we do our best to be close and to continue to have fun together. And that's a little snapshot of my life. Thank you for watching.